Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we're talking about trying new things. So let's get started. When this topic arises, a question you could be asked is something like, do you like to try new activities? Yes, you could say, I enjoy trying new activities from time to time. But to go further, you could say, certainly, I find it exciting to explore and engage in activities I haven't experienced before. Is it good for people to try new things? Yes, it's beneficial for people to try new things as it helps them grow. Or, absolutely, embracing new experiences fosters personal development and broadens perspectives. Why are some people afraid of trying new things? Some people fear the unknown and worry about the outcome. Or the fear of the unfamiliar outcome often holds some individuals back from embracing new experiences. What help do people need when they are trying new things? People might need guidance and support from others when trying something new, or assistance and encouragement from peers or mentors are essential for individuals venturing into unfamiliar territory. What are some of the difficulties a person might have when they're trying something new? People might struggle with uncertainty and a lack of familiarity. Or individuals may face challenges related to stepping out of their comfort zone and dealing with the unknown. Do you think it's better to have new experiences when you're young or when you're old? I think both stages of life offer unique benefits and new experiences. Each life phase has advantages for gaining fresh experiences. Youth offers energy and openness, while maturity brings wisdom. Did you try new activities when you were younger? Yes, I used to explore various activities when I was younger. Certainly, during my youth I was quite adventurous and eager to try out different activities. Another question you could be asked is, do you like to try new activities alone or with friends? I prefer trying new activities with friends. Or, a more advanced answer would be, I find it more enjoyable and fulfilling to experience new activities alongside friends who share the excitement. So that's all the questions and sample answers we have for today. Next up is the reading passage. Please read along with me as this here is intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. The importance of embracing novelty. Engaging in new activities can offer a range of benefits, both on an individual and societal level. Novel experiences stimulate the brain, promoting cognitive flexibility and enhancing problem solving. As we confront unfamiliar situations, we develop adaptability and resilience, qualities that are invaluable in an ever-changing world. The prospect of trying new activities can be daunting for many individuals. The fear of failure, uncertainty about the outcome, and concerns about stepping into the unknown often deter people from embracing novelty. Overcoming this resistance requires a shift in mindset, focusing on the potential for growth and learning rather than fixating on potential failures. Encouragement from others helps alleviate anxiety and instills confidence, making individuals more likely to take the leap into the unfamiliar. Support from peers, mentors, and a conducive environment can play a crucial role in easing the process of trying new activities. The benefits of trying new activities are not limited to any particular age group. Younger individuals tend to be more open to experimentation and may derive a sense of excitement from each new endeavor. On the other hand, older individuals can benefit from the wisdom gained through previous experiences, allowing them to approach new challenges with a balanced perspective. Rather, it should be complement and enhance the overall quality of life. While embracing novelty is essential, finding a balance between new experiences and maintaining a sense of stability is equally important. Engaging in new activities should not lead to neglecting existing commitments or relationships. In a world that continuously presents new opportunities and challenges, the ability to embrace new experiences can be a transformative asset. Overcoming fear, seeking support, and recognizing the value of personal growth are key steps towards harnessing the benefits that come with trying new activities. By doing so, individuals can cultivate a richer, more fulfilling life journey. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions that I want you to take away and enhance your everyday language. New activities, unfamiliar situations, stepping out of one's comfort zone, expanding horizons, embracing novelty, venturing into the unknown, personal enrichment, cognitive flexibility, problem-solving skills, resilience and adaptability, psychological growth, broadening perspectives, fear of failure, uncertainty and apprehension, deterrence and resistance, navigating the unfamiliar, confronting obstacles, pushing boundaries, peers and mentors, constructive feedback, instilling confidence, motivating and inspiring, fostering a supportive environment, nurturing personal development. Across the lifespan, younger individuals, older individuals, age-appropriate experiences, wisdom gained through experience, balanced perspective, finding equilibrium, maintaining stability, complementing existing commitments, enhancing quality of life, striking a balanced, holistic approach, transformative power, enriching life journey, harnessing benefits, cultivating personal growth, fostering fulfillment, embracing life opportunities, shift in perspective, positive outlook, openness to learning, embracing challenges, cultivating a growth mindset, embracing the unknown, continuous improvement, lifelong learning, skill acquisition, expanding one's skill set, evolving knowledge, developing competence, adapting to new circumstances, navigating change, embracing change, thriving in change, managing transition, responding to new opportunities. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing activities. Please have a go at doing some of these yourself at home. Do you like to try new activities? Instead, you could say, are you fond of engaging in unfamiliar pursuits? Why are some people afraid of trying new things? What causes certain individuals to experience fear when attempting novel experiences? Or, did you try new activities when you were younger? Were you inclined to experiment with unfamiliar activities during your youth? Paraphrasing statements. Embracing new experiences can lead to personal growth and development. Engaging in novel encounters has the potential to foster one's personal advancement and progress. Overcoming the fear of trying new things requires a positive mindset. Cultivating a constructive outlook is essential for conquering the apprehension associated with new endeavors. Age should not limit one's willingness to explore new opportunities. The inclination to seize novel chances should not be restricted to age concerns. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.